The one.
Okay. Which letter this one?
Ha.
Yeah. So if we put fatha above it, how can we say it? Huh.
Ha.
Yeah. Ha. Thank you. That's good. Okay. Choose one.
Mm,
Choose number.
two. No,
Okay.
no, no, no. Oh,
Okay. Huh. Which one?
four.
Okay. Oh, that's so easy. Which one? This one?
Alif.
Alif. With fatha will be.
A.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you. Okay. Now I will choose this one for you. Huh. How can
Ha.
we say this one
Four.
with fatha? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Choose one.
Five.
Okay. This is
Ba.
ba. With fatha will be.
Ba.
Thank you. Okay.
Ba.
Now we have three and six and seven. Which one?
Six.
Okay. How can we say that one with fatha? Ta. Yes. Okay. I will choose for you. Three.
Mm,
How can we say it?
G.
Jim with fatha will
Ja.
be ja. Yes. Okay, now last one, seven. How can we say it with
Sa.
fatha? Ah, yes. That's so good. Thank you so much.